If you need to change your Grammarly email address, this video will walk you through the process step by step in just a few minutes. Whether you're updating to a new work email, switching accounts, or just cleaning up your login details, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can do it safely and correctly. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Make sure you're signed into the Grammarly account you want to update. Once you're inside your Grammarly dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation menu and click on the Account tab. This is where Grammarly keeps your profile and account settings, including your email address. On the account page, find your current email address. Next to it, you should see an Update button. Click that button to begin the email change process. Grammarly will now ask you to enter your new email address. Type it carefully and double check for spelling mistakes, because this is the email Grammarly will use for your account going forward. After entering the new email, Grammarly will also prompt you to confirm your password for security purposes. This step is important because it helps protect your account from unauthorized changes, so enter your password, then continue. Once everything looks correct, click Update to submit the change. After that, Grammarly will send a confirmation message to your new email inbox. This part is very important because the change is not fully complete until you verify it. So go to the inbox of the new email address you entered, look for the message from Grammarly, and open it. Inside that email, click the verification link to confirm the change. Once you verify the new email, Grammarly will officially update your account. Keep in mind that after this, you may be logged out of your other devices, including the desktop app and browser extensions. That means you will need to sign back in using your new email address. So if Grammarly suddenly asks you to log in again, don't worry. That's completely normal. Just use the updated email and your password to access your account again. And that's it. You've now changed your Grammarly email address successfully. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, tips, and how-to videos.